Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change volume on your speaker Harman Kardon Aura Studio 3. Basically, you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use physical button, the plus one to increase the volume, and the minus one to lower the volume. So I will show you. I click on plus button and I increase the volume. I click on minus button and I lower the volume. And the second one option is to use a physical button on your phone. So on the top to increase volume and on the bottom to lower the volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!